Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Today is January the 28th. We are out here in Gainesville, Georgia. We're about to do a wax removal. It's about 800 square feet, $3 a square foot. And guys, the unique thing about this job, it was actually referred to me by Zero Res. Shout out to Zero Res. They actually refer jobs to me all the time because there are certain jobs that they can't do. So this is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Hall. They say they've been here for about 22 years, and she put the product on the floor, and she said, Courtney, I immediately knew I had did something wrong. So she said, we called Zero Res. The guy came out and said, there's nothing I can do, but I know someone that can do it for you. So thank you again, Zero Res out of Atlanta. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is a wax removal and just buff the floors out. You can see we're in my small ProMaster, which will also be getting wrapped at the end of February, but my big van, my Transit, is actually finished getting wrapped today. So by the time we get back, they should be done with it. So let me go ahead and show you what we got going today, guys. So this is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Hall. They are so excited to have me out. They did watch my videos, and let me show you. So if you look at their floors, you see a hole, you see right there, all through here. So Tavares is just spraying the floors down with the emulsifier. And what we're going to do, we're going to clean them, neutralize the floors, then we're going to buff them out. Not going to put anything back on the floors. And again, we're out here in Gainesville, right on, look at this guy, look at this beautiful view right here on the Lake Lanier. Well, I'm zoomed in, okay. So anyway, so Tavares is going ahead and start spraying. Yeah, I know. I'm just showing the video. So you guys, you can see that wax coming up already. Look at that. Look at that. See that, Andy? See that wax?
Oh, yeah.
You see that?
It's already getting waxed.
It's already emulsified.
Yeah, because, once I put it down, oh my God, and then I went back and tried to get it up.
Yeah.
It made it so worse.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and there's one thing about this job, guys. It gets really, really slippery.
Ooh, I bet.
I've actually failed a few times, but by the God's grace, I was able to get back up. So now, Miss Hall did tell us they just folded the rug back. That she didn't go under the rug.
Fold the rug, it's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
As close as you can.
All right, guys. So we're going to get started.
Yeah. Gainesville, Georgia. They said it couldn't be done. They walked in, shook their head, said, nah, that floor is through. Another one said, sand it down, start over something new. Wax built up, looking tired, lost his natural glow. But I see potential where most folks don't. I said, slow down, let me take a look. Years of wax sitting deep in the wood. Clean it right, neutralize, let it breathe. Ain't gotta tear it down, just believe. Old flows tall when you listen close, hey. Don't want sand, they want respect and homo. Bring it back, don't erase the past. Watch that shine come back real fast. Wax gon' shine back, yeah, we hit that. Buffed it up, brought it home, real smooth like that. They said no, they said sand. Truman walked in with a different plan. Wax gon' shine back, feel that glow. Natural beauty, let the hardwood show. Gainesville floor, save the day. Another floor brought back the Truman way, yeah. National comedy, past the...
All right, guys, that is going to do it. When I tell you my client, Mr. and Mrs. Hall, are satisfied.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Boy, it looks great. Looks really, really good.
And again, guys, he cannot remember the technician's name, but thank you, Zero Res, for the referral. They actually, that's what I be telling you guys, they actually had another person come in and told them they had to sand the floors. And he's like, Courtney, he told me, I knew it was something we can do. So they called Zero Res. Zero Res came in and said they couldn't do it, but they referred them to me, and the floors look amazing. So all we did, guys, was strip all the wax off. Then we cleaned the floor, neutralized it, and then we buffed it out. Now, again, these floors are pre-finished. These are solid, okay? These are solid, but they are pre-finished, and you can just see that new that new shine restored back on the floors, and we did not have to put any products on this floor. And you can just see how great these floors look. So Miss Hall, she just told me she's just so grateful that they found us, and Zero Res recommended us to them, and they are so happy with the floors. Thank you, Miss Hall.
Looks so good.
Thank you. All right. The guy from Zero Res, you remember his name? If you
Did you write it down?
if you do, just let me know, because I want to give him a referral fee.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, guys. See you in the next one.
My mind went blank.
He said he's